Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a external link in your navigation menu in your WordPress blog. So let's start. On the left top corner of your screen you can see my sites tab there, and you can see customize tab there. So in this screen you can see in the menu this edit button tab there. In the left side you can see your menu. You have to add new item. In this side menu, click on custom links. Here you have place for URL of your external site. For this case I'll put my Amazon store front link. Let's copy it. Okay, I'll paste it here. Give some name. Click add to menu. It's all. Now you can see my Amazon store in your menu. Just publish. So I'll go to my home page. Here you can see your external link in your menu. Click there and you divert it to your page. So that's all guys. Likewise you can add external links in your WordPress navigation menu. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.